How to use Fidelity Action Trader Pro. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, open the Fidelity website on your laptop or PC and sign into your account. You will be redirected to the Active Trader Pro platform. The platform features an easy-to-use intuitive toolbar designed based on customer feedback. You can access various tools directly from this toolbar. Just click on the menu option to view available selections. For example, select trade and then orders to check your order status. To conduct research, click on news and research and choose from categories like stocks, market sectors, and economic calendars. For quick access to trading and monitoring, use the shortcuts menu at the top left of the toolbar. Here you can quickly view trade orders, codes, or your notebook. You can open multiple tools at once and create custom layouts tailored to your needs. Fidelity provides predefined layouts focused on different trader requirements, but you can tweak these or create your own. To create a layout, select new layout, name it, and choose the tools you want to include, for example, watchlists, filters, and news. Arrange the windows as you like and save your changes. The platform also has sidebars that can expand or collapse as group of tools. This helps you keep your screen organized. For instance, you can have market monitoring tools visible while keeping trading and message center just a click away. And that's how you can use Fidelity Active Trader Pro. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.